Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an omelet in the microwave. Start by cracking 2 or 3 large eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. For a fluffier omelet, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Whisk the eggs vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely blended. Don't forget to season your mixture with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and delicious meal. Now for the fun part, customizing your omelet. Feel free to add your favorite cooked vegetables like finely diced bell peppers or a handful of fresh spinach. A small amount of shredded cheese, perhaps cheddar or mozzarella, also works wonderfully. Remember to ensure all your fillings are pre-cooked and chopped small for even heating. Gently stir these delicious additions into your egg mixture. To cook your omelet, place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 1 minute. After this initial minute, carefully remove the bowl and stir the partially cooked eggs from the edges towards the center. Return it to the microwave and continue cooking in 30-second intervals, stirring after each until the eggs are set. The omelet should be firm but still slightly moist in the center. Once cooked, let your omelet rest in the microwave for about 1 minute. This allows it to finish setting perfectly. Carefully slide the finished omelet onto a plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh herbs or a sprinkle of additional cheese. And there, you have a delicious, quick, and easy microwave omelet, ready to enjoy in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.